Jairam Ramesh, go to your seat. And from the seat, you decide who wants to speak.
Of the BJP is playing a political drama in order to save the skin of the 40% commit.
Mr. Ranjit Surjewala, what are you doing? One is this.
First time you're doing it. First time you're doing it. You've not done it earlier. No, sir. No, sir. That's not true.
I gave you permission to raise point of order. Is it point of order? Is it point of order? No, tell me. Is it point of order?
Sir,
Take your seats. Take your seats. I am allowing Pramod Tiwari. Take your seat, Mr. I will give you permission again. Take your seat. Please take your seat, Mr. Pramod Tiwari.
don't come with that, sir.
1 second, sir. Let one of you speak.
No, sir.
Take your seat.
What is doing is
Take your seat. Mr. Randeep Surjewala.
Please don't do it,
Mr. Randeep Surjewala. If you have a point of order, let Pramod Tiwari. Please, Mr. Pramod Tiwari, take your seat. I'll give 1 second. 1 second. Mr. Pramod Tiwari, please take your seats. Take your seats. Take your seats. I am allowing Pramod Tiwari. Take your seat, Mr. I will give you permission again. Take your seat. Yes, Mr. Pramod Tiwari.
Mr. Jairam Ramesh have raised this
Okay,
issue.
Mr. Jairam Ramesh, go to your seat first. No, first go to your seat. Jairam, Mr. Jairam Ramesh, go to your seat. And from the seat, you decide who wants to speak. You decide. Okay, before you decide, let Mr. Tiruchi Shah say something. Yes, Tiruchi Shah. Please.
Both the mics are on, sir.
Honorable Speaker, sir.
I have given floor to Mr. Tiruchi. Mr. 1 second.
Sir,
Now, Mr.
making
Tiruchi
use
Shah,
of your
1 second.
discretionary.
Mr. Tiruchi Shah, you are taking the floor. Look at the background. One background is a procedural issue to which I have given a quietus. Am I right? Second is you can raise. What is the issue?
Sir, before my colleague speaks, sir, I have only one submission.
I noticed it.
When you denied those 267 notices, sir, making use of your discretionary powers, a 0 hour which has not been listed, you have allowed, sir.
Yes.
We accept that you have powers, sir, sky-high powers. And hereafter, when we give 267 notices, if it is not admitted, kindly give us also 0 hour time, sir.
One sec. Let me react to what Mr. Tiruchi has said.
With your permission only.
Take your seat first. I'm reacting to him. Please. Honorable members, please. Honorable members, Mr. Tiruchi Shiva, a senior member, has raised a good point. Mr. Tiruchi Shiva, invariably, I have been following this practice. But I can't force a member to raise an issue in 0 hour which he or she has raised in 267. But if any member has come to me, that the issue of 267 he wants to raise under the rules, I have never declined. So the House may take note of it. Now, Mr. Randeep Surjewala, what have you to say? 1 second, please.
Honorable Chairperson, sir.
What is your point?
My point is very simple. The honorable member of the BJP is playing a political drama in order to save the skin of the 40% commit.
Mr. Randeep Surjewala, what are you doing? 1 second. 1 second. Take your seat. They will take your seat. Mr. Randeep Surjewala, you are playing politics. Why are you playing politics? It is not a political platform. Nothing else will go on record. Is it a political platform? I gave you permission to raise point of order. Is it point of order? No, tell me. Is it point of order?
Sir, only when you put up,
please.
You shut down the mic, sir.
Either raise a point of order.
Saying a 40% commission government ran in Karnataka for 5 years. We ordered a corruption report.
Nothing will go on record. Mr. Nothing will go on record. The honorable member is raising an issue. The issue is with respect to corruption. Corruption is an issue we need to discuss. We cannot allow a member not to speak about corruption. No. Absolutely no. No. Nothing will go on record. No. Randeep Surjewala. Mr. Surjewala. What is it? I gave him the floor. 1 second. Please. Please. No, please. Honorable, would the members take their seat? Please. Honorable members, House will be enlightened. Once, Mr. Lair Singh, if any member rises when I am rising, I will name immediately. I need to. Ma'am, I hold myself back. You have been in this chair. All I am saying is, I am open to a point of order. Being, 1 second. Mr. Tiruchi Shiva raised a point. 1 second. No one will rise, please. Mr. 1 second. I'll give it to you. Mr. Tiruchi Shiva raised a point of order, a valid point situation, that anyone who's 267 I decline, I must give permission to make the point in some other rule or provision. I have indicated I have always done it, provided the member is willing. Ma'am, 1 second. Provided the member is willing. If the member, 1 second. I am addressing Jaya Bachchan ji now. Jayaji, what I am saying is this, that under 267, if I decline, and the member comes to me that I want to raise this issue by special mention or 0 hour, I allow. But I don't persuade the member. No one came to me. One instance.
The first time you're doing it. You have not done it earlier. No, sir. That's not true.
Ma'am, take your seat. Nothing will go on record. Point of order. Mr. Mukul Vasnik wants to raise point of order. Take your seat. Mr. Mukul Vasnik, he is senior enough. Senior to all of you, I think, at the moment. Mukul, you happen to be senior most at the moment. Go ahead. No, Mr. 1 second.
Sir.
One second. I'll come to you.
Sir.
So 1 second.
Sir, we have highest respect.
1 second, sir. My humble prayer to you, please raise a point of order.
Yes, sir.
In the following manner. Specify the rule and then have your point. Under which rule are you raising?
Sir,
Under which rule, sir?
I wish to say that we have highest respect for the chair. We have highest respect for the chair, and the House has to be conducted by rules of procedure. There is a list circulated to all the members on issues to be raised in the 0 hour. The honorable member is being allowed to raise issue which is not listed in this.
Take your seat. Mr. Mukul Vasnik, take your seat. You are not aware. I had indicated 4 times. 4 times during ruling on 267 that the honorable member will be allowed. I have done it. Sushmita. Okay. One second, please.
Sir,
Take your seat.
sir, 1 second.
One second.
I will just take 30 seconds, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have filed several notices to talk about Assam floods and Bengal floods under 267. And he has already raised this issue before. He is being allowed to speak.
No. Decline.
And we are not being allowed to speak.
No. Nothing will go on record. I have declined 267. I declined 267. The business of the House was not suspended. The proceedings of the House continued. When it is question of 0 hour, I allowed the honorable member at number 3. Mr. Radigo.
ರಾಷ್ಟ್ರಪತಿ ಮಹೋದಯ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಪರಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಜಾತಿ, ಪರಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಪಂಗಡ, ಹಿಂದುಳಿದ ವರ್ಗದ ಅಭಿವೃದ್ಧಿಗಾಗಿ ಮೀಸಲಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಹಣವನ್ನ ಇವತ್ತು ಹಾಡು ಹಗಲೇ ದರೋಡೆ ಮಾಡುವಂತ ರೀತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಲೂಟಿಯನ್ನು ಹೊಡೆಯಲಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಆದ್ರಿಂದ ಯಾವ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಸಂವಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಅಪಾಯ ಇದೆ, ಮೀಸಲಾತಿಯನ್ನ ರದ್ದು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಂತೇಳಿ ಜನರಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪು ಭಾವನೆಯನ್ನು ಹುಟ್ಟಾಕಿ ಇವತ್ತು ಅದೇ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಅಧಿಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಂತ ಸರ್ಕಾರದಲ್ಲಿ
Nothing else will go on record.
187 ಕೋಟಿ ರೂಪಾಯಿಗಳ ಹಣವನ್ನ ತೆಲಂಗಾಣ, ಆಂಧ್ರ ಪ್ರದೇಶ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಈ ರೀತಿ ಸುಮಾರು 270 ಖಾತೆಗಳಿಗೆ ವಾಲ್ಮೀಕಿ ಪರಿಶಿಷ್ಟ ಪಂಗಡದ ಹಣವನ್ನ ವರ್ಗಾವಣೆ ಮಾಡುವುದರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಆ ಹಣವನ್ನ ಮೊನ್ನೆ ನಡೆದಂತ ಲೋಕಸಭಾ ಚುನಾವಣೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ತನ್ನ ಅಭ್ಯರ್ಥಿಗಳ ಗೆಲ್ಲೋದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಉಪಯೋಗ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಕೂಡ ಇವತ್ತು ವರದಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಇಡೀ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಒಬ್ಬ ಮಂತ್ರಿಯನ್ನ ಇವತ್ತು ಬಂಧನಕ್ಕೊಳಪಡಿಸಿದೆ. ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರವಾಗಿ ತನಿಖೆ ಮಾಡತಕ್ಕಂತ ಆ ಇಡಿ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳ ಮೇಲೆ ಇವತ್ತು ಕೇಸುಗಳನ್ನ ದಾಖಲೆ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಅವರ ರಾಜಕೀಯಕರಣಗೊಳಿಸಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಹೊರಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಹೀಗಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಈ ಸದನ ಗಮನವನ್ನು ಸೆಳೆಯಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಬಯಸ್ತೇನೆ. ಯಾವ ಹಣಕಾಸು ಇಲಾಖೆಯನ್ನು
Shri Deepak Prakash. Nothing will go on record.
सभापति महोदय,
Shri Deepak Prakash.
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद. जस्टिस जयंती लाल छोटे लाल शाह आयोग 1977 में एक नियुक्त एक जांच आयोग था. यह आपातकाल के दौरान की गई ज्यादतियों की जांच के लिए बनाया गया था और शाह आयोग ने कुल 100 बैठकें की थी और 48,000 कागजात की पड़ताल की थी.
न्यूज नेशन अब व्हाट्सएप पर खबरों के ताजा अपडेट के लिए न्यूज नेशन के इस QR कोड को स्कैन करें.